Hello and welcome. Amidst this COVID crisis, there are municipality elections and all the political parties have made it a prestige issue. Where is the wind blowing? I have four eminent panelists with me to discuss this matter. First, senior leader of the Congress party, NDA spokesperson Amarnath Panjikar. Amarnath, welcome. Second, I have with me senior leader of Goa Forward Party, NDA spokesperson Durgadas Kamath. Durgadas, welcome. Third, I have with me senior leader of the BJP and the spokesperson Premanand Mamre. Mamreba, welcome. And last, the lady on the panel, I have senior leader of AAP, Pratima Kutino. Uh, Durgadas, I'll start with you. The second wave of COVID and campaigning on the ground. And this is a phase where everybody considers that there is a tough chance, there is a tough contest for the BJP as far as at least 3 out of 5 municipalities are concerned. So how are you looking at these elections?
First, let me start. Previously polls were held for around 6 municipalities, and Bharatiya Janata Party claimed that they have won all 6. Post which we have seen what has happened when the councils went to vote for the chairpersons. We have seen it in Kankon, we have seen it in Kurcharen. Now coming to our municipal polls, now elections are going to be held for the 5 municipalities. Because of the Congress party and us, we went to the Supreme Court to teach this arrogant BJP a lesson, or else elections would have been held at that time only for these 5 municipalities. Now coming to our elections of Margao municipality and a couple of seats in Mapsa, where our working president Kiran Kandolkar has supported a couple of candidates. We are not taking any of these elections lightly because this is a semi-final for us. We are going down another 6, 7, 8 months down the line. We have municipal polls, assembly elections. So we are not taking these elections lightly at all. We are not overconfident like Bharatiya Janata Party. They say that they are winning all 25 out of 25 in Margao. I think they have started daydreaming too. So we are working on the ground. No doubt that there is a second wave which is coming suddenly for the last 2 weeks. But we are taking all precautions. We have decided to not even open offices for our candidates, so that when candidates open up their offices, people tend to come and sit, and then COVID can spread. So what we have done is we have a helpline of Fatorda 24/7, which works. I think none of the any of the MLAs have a 24 dedicated helpline like this, which has been working for last 10 years by Vijay Sardesai.
Amarnath, how is Congress looking at these elections? We know that some of your leaders are trying to put up a very strong contest against the BJP. How is Congress party looking at these elections?
Municipality election party लाईनीचेर जायना पण काँग्रेस पार्टीचे वावुरपी काँग्रेस पार्टीचे लीडर ह्या इलेक्शनाक वांटेकार जाल्या आणि काँग्रेस पार्टीन सिंबल जरी नासलो तरी काँग्रेस पार्टीचो लीडर स्पेशली आमचो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन दिगंबर कामत हे आपल्याच्या परीन वावुरतात. हे 5य कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी हे आमच्या म्युनिसिपालिटीनी ते कोऑर्डिनेशन करतात. म्हापसा म्हणा, सांग्या, केपे, मुरगांव, मुर्मुगांव हांगा ते एक लीडर म्हणून सगळ्यांकडे आमच्या वर्करांकडे कोऑर्डिनेशन करता आणि म्हाका दिसता आमकां बरे तेका रिस्पॉन्सूय बरो मेळपाक लागला. रिसेंटली जर आमी पळयले आता साखळेचे जर उदाहरण घेतले आमी जाल्यार साखळे जे आयज कितें जाता ते पळयल्यार आमकां दिसता की गोंयची जी बीजेपी आसा, बीजेपी सरकार आणि बीजेपी पार्टी ते सत्तेक लागून तेंच्यांनी न्याय, नीती, निष्ठा, नैतिकता ही सगळी सोडून दिल्या आणि कशे रितीन अधर्म, अपराध, आपमतलबी कोण कशे करूंक शकता सत्ते खातीर ते तेचे ज्वलंत उदाहरण हे साखळे तेंच्यांनी
Okay, very pertinent points. I'll come back to you, Durgadas. Let all the panelists complete their opening remarks. Pratima, how is Aam Aadmi Party looking at these elections? Although you have not put up official panel as such, you are supporting so many candidates. How is your party looking at these elections?
First and foremost, as said, and it's known that these elections are not fought on the party lines. So we don't have symbols. But in Panjim, we had supported आम्ही पणजेकार म्हणटा ते पॅनलाक आम्ही सपोर्ट केल्ले where we have got some of them elected and some lost with narrow margin. Secondly, in Kurchore, if you have seen, we have got one candidate elected there, and Kurchorem, you will have seen what level Nilesh Cabral went to. Even on the voting day, तो इतल्या लेवलाचेर सकल आयलो आनी मागीर ते कारस्थान द फिएस्को वॉज नोन टू एव्हरीवन दॅट ही बीजेपीकूच न्ही तांचे कार्यकर्त्यांक न्ही सगळ्यांक लज जाली. आतां आमचे कितें आसा, आमी सगळ्यांनी पळयलां काँग्रेस आनी बीजेपी आणि त्यांचे मॉडल मारगांव वायब्रंट मारगांव कितें आसा ते सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. इट इज जस्ट अ मॅरेज ऑफ कन्व्हिनियन्स. पूण आमचे वी आर हियर फॉर अ सिरियस बिझनेस. वी हॅव 3 एजेंडा. फर्स्ट इज दॅट वी विल सी दॅट नो पार्किंग. आमच्या पे पार्किंगाचे फीज आसपाना, नो पार्किंग फीज. आमचो तो एजेंडाचेर पयलो आसा दॅट बिकॉज इन पॅनजीम यू ऑल हॅव सीन बीजेपीन कितें केलां ते पे पार्किंगाचेर. सो आमी फ्री पार्किंग हे करपाक सोदता. सेकंड म्हणटा ते रिडक्शन of 50% of house tax. If our candidates are elected, 50% of house tax reduction will be there. And third, it will be garbage free. Amkazai clean city, garbage free. So these 3. Now you all must have seen, we have put a panel in Kepe, supporting them, Ami Kepe Kar म्हणून. आणि दुसरे म्हणतात ते in Margaon Fatoda, I mean to say, we'll be supporting civil society, citizens along with shadow council. So आमचे मुद्दे खूप क्लीन आसा आणि आमी भुरगे कसले घातल्यात. आमी यंग ब्रिगेडांक घातिल्ले आसा. इफ यू गो टू सी इन केपे 21 years old कॉविन म्हणटा तो भुरगो स्टुडंट ताका घातिल्लो आसा. 24 years ओल्डाचे बेनिता म्हणटा ते हायर एज्युकेशन करून ताजे एज्युकेटेड चेडवा घातला. सो वी पूट तरणाटे भुरगे स्टीवन अनिता बीन की क्लीन भुरगे. आणि हे आनीक सांगपाक सोदता, इफ यू गो टू सी आयज टू January 21 आता 21 साकून जानेवारीचे आमचे इलेक्शन पेंडिंग उरिल्ली आसा म्युनिसिपालिटीत. आणि ह्या कारणाक लागून पळोवपाक गेल्यार कामां जायना जाल्यार लोकांनी येवन वचपाक पडटा. आणि हे जाल्यार कोणाक लागून? हे जालां हांकां लागून. हांकां लागून पयले म्हणटा ते बीजेपीन नाटकां केली रिजर्वेशनाक लागून, आपल्या लोकांनी फायदो करून दिवपाक, आपल्या लोकांनी फेवर करपाक. आणि मागीर हे काँग्रेस आणि गोवा फॉरवर्ड हे कोर्टान गेले आणि 5 म्युनिसिपालिटीचे इलेक्शनां पेंडिंग उरली. हे कोणाक त्रास? हे जाले लोकांक त्रास. कित्याक लागून केले? यांनी आपले रिजर्वेशन सारखे जावपाक जाय, ओबीसी लोकांक हे करपाक जाय, मागीर लेडीजांक रिजर्वेशन करपाक जाय. कितें जालें? कितें आउटकम कितें जालो सांगूंक सोदता म्हणल्यार आउटकम कांय जावना. हेंकां आयज ह्या वाड्या वयल्यान त्या वाड्यार, त्या वाड्या वयल्यान त्या वाड्याक हाडून आयज तांकां इलेक्शन करपाक पडपाक. So that is nothing great. This who is suffering? The people.
Mamre Bab, how is your party looking at it? Everybody is saying that the high-handedness of BJP from Sakhli to Margaon to Mapsa, and your party is ready to do anything, bend the rule book anyway, just to be in power. How do you respond to that?
First of all, Bharatiya Janata Party always takes every election seriously. आता जे 3 माझे सहकार हे उलयले हांगा पॅनलिस्ट, ताजे वयल्यान तुमकां कळ्ळें तांचे सगळे पीसमील आहा सगळे कडेन. आमचे तशें ना. आमचे सगळे कडेन ऑर्गनायज पॅनल्स आसात, ऑर्गनायज कार्यकर्ते आसात, ऑर्गनायज प्रभारी आसात. सगळे कडेन आमचे लिडर जे आसात, आमचे मंत्री, आमचे आमदार, ते सगळे ऑर्गनायज कॅम्पेनिंग चालू आसा. इलेक्शन झाले पळय, इलेक्शन म्हणले की ना, यू हॅव टू fight that election with all seriousness. And we are fighting the election with all seriousness with a motto to win the election. पण high-handedness म्हणटा आणि कितें म्हणटा पळय ते तांचे परसेप्शन आय डू नॉट एग्री विथ. जशें वॉर पळय आसा, जशें झगडचे हे करचे पडटा तशें इलेक्शन. आमकां सगळें इलेक्शन आमचें फायनल. And as I have told you earlier, our ground report that we are getting support on the ground is very clear. And just like that, we have won the ZP election, we have won previous municipality election, we are going to win in all these 5 municipalities with a thumping majority.
So you don't think that there is a contest in Margaon? You don't think that there is a contest in Margaon? There is a contest in Mapsa. There is a contest in Mormugaon. You don't think that there is a contest?
I don't think these parties are disorganized. You know, they have made a coalition in Margaon But some of their own leaders are, branding these people as opportunists. And what this, this MLAs, this 10-year MLA from Fatarda and maybe 15-20 years MLA from Margao, they have not done anything for their constituencies. Simple bus stand of Margao, which they could not build in spite of being in power. And AAP is concerned, they are just finding out candidates. They say they have been supporting some of the people in here. I don't know whether they are their members or anything. And for Goa forward, it is a fight for survival. They are just trying to survive. I don't think these people are going to be any challenge to us in the forthcoming assembly elections.
Okay.
Just like municipalities, ZP, we are going to win the assembly election hands down.
Okay. Mamrebab, point well taken. Durgadas, how do you want to respond to that?
See, Mamrebab is a very senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, much more senior than us. But then I would like to request him, when it comes on the debate, to split study and come. He said we are opportunists. I would like to ask him, in the month of December 2018, at 9:30 p.m. at Vijay Sardesai's house, a then speaker Pramod Sawant, why did he come begging, touching the feet of Mr. Vijay Sardesai, asking him to make the chief minister? Second, in first week of December, in the hotel in Hyatt in Delhi, why, when the mining agitation was going on in Jantar Mantar, why did then speaker Mr. Pramod Sawant come begging in room number 413, asking him to make the chief minister? So he should understand who are the opportunists. Second, he's speaking about the Margao bus stand. You should know why the file is pending. Who has kept the file pending? And then come and speak. He's telling that Vijay Sardesai has not done anything. It's their own then late chief minister, Manohar Parrikar, can praise Vijay Sardesai, irrespective of being in opposition at that time from 2017, 12 to 17, for taking up projects in Fatorda and turning around Fatorda and making it into a developmental hub. So I think Mamrebab should do a bit of study and come before passing any comments on our leader, Mr. Vijay Sardesai. Second, Pramod,
as far as praising is concerned,
Mamrebab, let Durgadas finish. I'll come to you.
So now we launched our manifesto. It is clear cut. Manifesto copy, I will send it across to Mamrebab on his WhatsApp if he wants. What works we have done in the last 5 years in the council and what projects we are going to complete in the next 5 years once we get elected, along with our counterpart in Margao, Mr. Digambar Kamath, the Honorable Leader of Opposition. We have delivered. Bharatiya Janata Party couldn't win these polls since 2010 because their leadership locally is weak and they come out in Fatorda only during elections as the frogs comes out during rainy season.
Pratima, before I go to Mamrebab for a rebuttal, Durgadas, I'll come to you. Durgadas, I'll come to you. No, I'll come to you. Durgadas, I'll come to you. Hold on.
They are all part, it is like a marriage of convenience. And I feel we are the cleanest here because we are not involved in this. Maka Pramod Bab sang, सगळे गोंयकारांक खबर आसा फाटले 5 वर्सां पयले हेच दिगंबर कामत आणि विजय सरदेसाय आयिल्ले मॉडेल मारगांव घेवन मॉडेल मारगांव म्हणून कितें बरें मॉडेल मारगांव केलें तांच्या मॉडेलांनी कितें केलें तें सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी आयज तेच पॅनल घेवन ते मुखार आयिल्ले आसा फक्त मॉडेल मारगांव म्हणटा म्हूण जायना सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी हो मामरे उलयता ताका सांगपाक सोदता अरे बाबा तुमीच आशिल्ले मरे लिंकान तुमचं सरकार तुम्ही बरोबर चलयताली मरे विजय सरदेसाय गोवा फॉरवर्ड आणि तुम्ही बीजेपी सत्तेर आशिल्ले मरे तुमचोच तो प्रमोद न्ही तो आयज दुर्गादास उलयता तो सीएम ताजीच पार्टी न्ही ती आनी हो कोण तो विजय सरदेसाय नॉट द डेप्युटी सीएम यू ऑल वर रनिंग द मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी कोएलिशन मरे सारखें मागीर कितें जालें पळय जाल्यार हांवें एक व्हिडिओ पळयला विजय उलयता की आपण ह्या सायडीन खंय कोण तो दिगंबर कामत हाडून आपले फोडपाक सोदतालो कावन्सिलर आपूण फाटल्यान असले जाय ते स्टुडिओ तोपल्या सो आयज तुमी लोकांक दाखोवन दिवपाक मदेंच तुमचे अशें जाता नाल्यार तशें जाता सो पीपल have decided आणि दुसरे म्हणतात ते आय रिमेंबर 17th May 2010 दिगंबर कामत वॉज द सीएम ऑफ गोवा तेने सोशल एक्टिविस्ट असता पळय तांकां डायरेक्टली कोण तो बाब एनजीओ एडविन इफ आय एम नॉट मिस्टेकन ही इज एडविन फ्रॉम नागोवा एडविन पिंटो आणि बाय जरीना कुना हेंकां तेने डायरेक्टली सेक्रेटरीच्या बायलांक सांगिल्ले ते केन्ना गेले तेन्ना आय डोंट नीड युअर वोट्स म्हणून I don't need your votes म्हणून Digambar had said it on the 17th of May 2010 आणि त्याने सांगितलं आय डोंट केअर, डू व्हॉट यू ऑल वॉन्ट म्हणून ह्यो एटिट्यूड घेतिल्लो.
Okay, Pratima, point taken. Mamrebab, respond to that. How everybody is saying that BJP's high-handedness has been very consistent from the time it came to power in 2017. How do you respond to that? And also, may it be Goa Forward or Congress, there has always been a marriage of convenience between all these parties. Mamrebab.
त्या दोघांचे दोघांचे काय तिघांचे ताका उत्तर प्रतिमानच दिल्ले आसा. गेली अनेक वर्सां पावरान आसून आनी ह्या आसून सुद्धा ते काय करूंक पावूंक ना. मॉडेल मरगांव करताले म्हणटा ते, आनी ताणें कितें केलां ते प्रतिमानच. शी इज मोर आय थिंक knowledgeable as far as Margaon is concerned, and therefore she has really exposed these two leaders very clearly. आता हाय हँडेडनेस आणि बीच्या गोष्टी कितें म्हणटा पळय, आनी कोण खंयच्या रुमान बिमान मेळ्ळे पळय, हांव त्या रुमान नाशिल्लो म्हणटा म्हाज्यान सांगूनच काय कितें ते. पण कोणे कोणाक बॅक केला, कोणे हाजो फायदो उठयलो, सगळ्या दीस हॅज बिकम हिस्ट्री नाव. आनी आतां सुद्दां पळय ते आशेन रावल्ले पळय, जरी तांणी सोडलेले हे हाज्या पदा वयरून जरी ते गेले, सगळे आशेन ते एनडीएन रावल्ले. आता काल पयर ताणी कोणा कोणा टोचल्या बरोबर ती एनडीए सोडून दिल्या, कळ्ळें न्ही. हाजे वयल्यान कळटा ऑपॉर्च्युनिस्टीक कोण पळय आसले ते. सो आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो इनटू दॅट, बट एज आय टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी, आमकां पळय आसा न्ही, आमच्या पार्टीक एवरी इलेक्शन इज अ सिरियस इलेक्शन. आनी त्या सिरियस इलेक्शन जेन्ना आमी पळय घेता, तेन्ना त्या इलेक्शन जिखपा खातीर ज्यो ज्यो कितें पळय आसा, जशें वॉर जिखपा खातीर वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्यो टॅक्टिक्स करच्यो पडटा. ह्या सगळ्यो टॅक्टिक्स आमकां इलेक्शन जिखपा खातीर करपाकूच जाय. आता हाजे बद्दलचे बी कितें सांगता न्ही, तो एक्ट आनी पळय 97 पंचायत राज एक्ट जालो, जे कितें प्रोविजन तातूंत आसा, त्या सगळे प्रोविजनां काँग्रेस सरकारच्या वेळारूच जाल्ली. आणि ताच्या नंतर कितले फावटी काँग्रेस सरकार सत्तेर आसून सुद्धा तांकां जर दिसलेलें कितें कितें चुकला बिकला म्हणून तांणी सुदारपाचें, तांकां सुदारपाचेंच ना काय. But as our party has given lot of powers to lot of funds to these panchayats as well as the aim. Now the central funds are coming directly to the panchayats and Jilla panchayats. You know, so त्यामुळे हे जे ह्या पळय आसा ते आणि municipalities.
You are saying Congress has no right to criticize you on
Congress
these
has
points.
no right. Congress has no right.
Okay.
I know I was in the panchayat movement.
Yeah.
I had to fight against this. They were not even ready to take panchayat raj election. I was general secretary of All Goa Panchayat Parishad at that time. We had to go to the court. They had appointed one government officer for the as a election commission. We went to the court, and before the court could give verdict, he had to resign. So all this karma पळय आसा, ती सगळी काँग्रेसची कर्मा. गेल्या कितल्याशाच वर्सांत तांचे सरकार आसून सुद्धा तांणी ते काय जर तांकां दिसलेले की सुदारणा करपाक जाय आसल्यो जाल्यार तेन्ना ते करतले आसले. तांकां कन्विनियन्स ते तेन्ना तांचे सरकार येता पळय तांकां दे हॅव टू यूज द सेम थिंग. They don't want to. And despite of being in the opposition, have they ever tried to bring some amendments?
Fine.
No.
Fine. Durgadas.
What is the use of talking about and all that?
Durgadas.
It is just crying in a crocodile tear.
Mamreva, point taken. Durgadas, final comments. How do you want to respond to that?
Yeah. See, one thing is, let me make it clear. When BJP cannot win, they cheat. The classic example is our friend Amarnath said, with regards to Sakle municipality. I spoke to the former chairperson, Mr. Dharmesh, last night. First you disqualify Rajesh Sawal. You put a case against him. He goes to court, gets a stay. Last evening at 7:30 p.m. at night, you send him a notice for disqualification, keeping a hearing at the residence of the urban development minister in Vasco. Today morning, you get a stay on it. Now, in the morning at 10:30, they registered a FIR on him, on Raya Parsekar, at Bijolim police station, under section 420 on some fake case, so that he doesn't appear for the no confidence motion at 2:30. So this clearly shows when they cannot win, they tend to cheat. With regards to Margaon municipal polls, we are vigilant. Fatorda and Margaon leaders, both of them are working hand in hand. Margaon Civic Alliance will not allow these people to cheat here. With regards to Aam Aadmi Party leader commenting on us, I don't want to comment much more. She said, she spoke about a house tag that they will make it free. You make.
I didn't say it's free. I didn't say it's free. I said 50%.
Yeah, 50%. Okay, 50%. So let me speak. I did not disturb you. So when you can make it, when you have your own panel, you don't have a panel here at all. You have put candidates at bit, nuts and pieces. Let me come on record. There was one of the candidates of one of the wards who came to me from there who they are supporting, asking for money, asking for a sum of asking.
Yeah. This is what you all can do. This is what allegations you can put. तुम्ही केला किती रे तुम्ही पहिले मडगाव काँग्रेस बीजेपी बीजेपी मरे
go on forward along with Congress, leader of opposition. We will fight this. We will fight this government. When we went to Supreme Court,
and now back with Congress
for the ST, OBC and SC citizens, Aam Aadmi Party leadership targeted us and why did we go to court? So this clearly shows
तुमचे सगळे लोकांकडून लावा लागला
with the Bharatiya Janata Party in the
तुम्ही
state.
हनीमून कोणाबरोबर करताले मध्ये
Okay, Durgadas, point taken. Pratima, quickly respond to that, and then I'll go to Amarnath. Yeah, Pratima. Yes.
प्रमोद बाब वो आता उलयता तो त्याने म्हाका पहिले सांगचे that is like musical chairs played. They are playing musical chairs sometimes with Congress, sometimes with BJP. आणि केल्ले फॉर्म म्युनिसिपालिटी कोणा बरोबर मॉडल मार्गाव म्हणून दिगंबर आणि विजयान केल्ले. मागीर कितें जालें, विजय जालो डेप्युटी सीएम आणि मागीर कितें जालें रे, मागीर तुम्ही गेले आणि तेकले मरे बीजेपीक आणि बीजेपी बारा तुम्ही ते सगळे करप्शन करपाक लागले म्युनिसिपालिटीत आणि आता टर्म काबार जाता तशें तुमकां फॉट मारली तेन्ना बीजेपीन. Now you all are dancing again with Digambar. This is marriage of convenience. Everyone knows. And don't put allegations. Let me tell you, in ward number 12, आमकां खबर आसा की तुमचो अलायन्स आसा तो दिगंबर कामत कोणाकडे चॅक घेऊन गेलो. तो फ्लॅम फेर्नांडीस म्हणटा तो भुरगो वॉर्ड नंबर 12 दुसरा ताजे मनशे गेले खंय फ्लॅम फेर्नांडीसा बरे चॅक दिलो कितलो जाय तो घे आणि भायर सर म्हणून इलेक्शनाक बसनाका विड्रॉ कर म्हणून. त्या भुरग्यान आयकुना म्हणून ताजे इलेक्शन एजंटाकडे वचून काही धमकी दिल्ली आसा. I will see that whom we are supporting, that Lem Fernandez gives this statement because we didn't wanted to get the matter diverts off naka kal election जाऊन दी आम्ही उगी रावले आसा.
Pratima, point taken. Amarnath, how do you want to respond to that? Everybody is saying that you don't have a moral right to speak about these issues because when you were in power, you did not do anything about this.
See, गोंयांत जी पंचायती राज हाडली ते काँग्रेसीनूच हाडटा. गोंयांत जे घटक राज दिले ते काँग्रेसीनूच दिले. गोंय स्वतंत्र करपाक काँग्रेसीचो हात, गोंयची कोंकणी भास राजभास करपाक काँग्रेसीन जे दिवंक जाय आणि हाच्या मुखारूय जे कितें आमचे दिवंक जाय गोंयांत ते सदांच काँग्रेस ही गोंयकारां खातीर आसतली आनी गोंयकारां बरोबर रावतली गोंयकारांचे प्रश्न. सो हे जे काँग्रेसीचे रूट कितेंय आरोप करता तेंची ती संवय जाल्ली आसा. सो आमी तेका चड महत्व दिना आनी आपाचे म्हटल्यार I don't to comment anything on प्रतिमा because प्रतिमान अजून आप स्टडी करूंक ना कित्याक कितलींच वर्सां काँग्रेसीन तेच्या रगत काँग्रेसीनसूनच येयला. सो आपाचेर प्रतिमान बंद करचे कित्याक तेणी आप कितें तो सजमोन घेवचो. आयज गोंयकारांनी आप सजमोन घेतला कित्याक आतां मनीष सिसोदिया जो दिल्लीचो डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर येयलो तो पर्रीकराचे गोडवे गावन गेलो. पर्रीकराचे विजन, पर्रीकराची लेगसी आणि हे प्रूव्ह करता की आप ही बीजेपीची बी टीम.
Point taken, Mamre Bab. You must be feeling very happy seeing all these opposition parties fighting amongst each other.
प्रमोद, म्हाका उलोवपाची गरज ना. ह्या तिगां भितरले झगडी पळय आसा हाजे वयल्यान तुका कळ्ळेंच आसतलें की दे आर जस्ट फायटिंग फॉर देअर सर्वायवल. उलोव नाका, म्हाका आतां तुवें खूब उलयलें जाल्यार.
या मामरे बाब रिस्पॉन्ड.
नाही, त्यामुळे हांचे बद्दल चड उलोवपाची कांय गरजूच ना. तांची झगडी पळय आसा ती फुडें चलत रावतली आनी दे आर फायटिंग फॉर देअर सर्वायवल. पळय घाला गेल्या 15 वर्सां इतले वर्सां सत्य आसून हे सगळं मडगांवकार जाणा आणि त्यामुळे आम्ही मडगावात सुद्धा बऱ्या बहुमतान आम्ही जिंकले हाजे बद्दल काय दुबाव ना. अमरनाथ पणजेकराक पंचायत राज कायद्याविषयी खूप शिकपाचे आसा. ते मातशे ताणें शिकचे आणि ताजेर एक इंडिपेंडंट डिबेट ताजे बरोबर करपाची म्हजी ताकद आसा. सांगता की फुडल्यो 5 म्युनिसिपालिटी पळय आसा जशे आमी फाटीं जिंकल्या त्या प्रमाणे ह्या 5 म्युनिसिपालिटीत सुद्धा भारतीय
Okay,
जनता पक्ष
Mamre Bab,
विजयाचो
point
झेंडा
taken. And
लायतना
completely out of time. Completely out of time. Durgadas, Pratima, Amarnath, Mamre Bab, thanks a lot. We have the election on 23rd. The results are on 26th, and this is one phase where there is a serious contest between leaders of the opposition party and Bharatiya Janata Party. We'll get to you the results as they come in, and we'll also get to you the stories, every story with regards to this municipality election. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead.